now tuned into the greatest.
Oh. What is up, YouTube? Mark Kicks coming at you with another video. Back in the garage, Ty Lopez. So, you know we talking about golf. This is just my 2022 what's in my bag video. And really it's just an update telling you that Honma, I'm gonna call him Honma because if I say Honma, I'm gonna think of Max Honma. Honma, last straw. We're on the last straw with these Honma TR20P irons. Obviously I still like the way they look. I don't know why I said obviously, but I still like the way they look. If it wants to focus so you guys can see. It really just does not want to show this club, you know? Oh, there it is. Yeah, so the TR20P, my 10 iron, cause you know, Japanese, this is my pitching wedge. It's a really nice looking club. I still love to look at it. I love looking at it in the bag. It's one of those clubs that people ask, well, what the heck are you playing? It's a nice, they feel nice is what I'm gonna say. It feels well made, but I'm still just not convinced. I don't know if it's the fitting I had at Club Champion. I don't know what's going on, but still can't get it up in the air like I would like to see out of an iron, a fitted iron that I paid a lot of money for. So obviously I want the performance to be there, and it's just not been. So I'm giving it this year. I'm gonna go to probably middle of the summer, and if there's not a fix, I'm gonna switch. I'm either gonna go back to Titleist or I'll try a tailor-made iron, but expensive irons, man. I got the Oban CT 115. Part of the reason they're so expensive, the 115 gram shaft, that thing is expensive. Mid-size +4 on here, just to help with the you know, hooks. And it helped with the hooks a lot. Like, I'm not hooking anything anymore. It's really hard to actually draw the club now. And that's all I used to play. So, last straw, but still playing 5-through pitching wedge in the TR20Ps. My babies, the wedges that we have, we still got the old SM5 Titleist. Dang, I'm hitting my car. We still got the old SM5 Titleist 52, and it doesn't want to show that either. I like the 52. 52 is such a weird club for me because I have this weird like gap between my wedges. So when I get to about 140, that's pretty much as soft as I can hit a pitching wedge. Let me not say that. When I get to 135, that's about as soft as I can hit a pitching wedge. If I literally try to hit a pitching wedge 125 yards, I don't know why, I just can't help it, it'll go 150. It sucks. This thing maxes out at like 128. So, with that being said, when I'm at like 130, 135, I have to try to kill this, which means if I do actually kill it successfully, the ball's gonna come shooting back at me when it hits the green. Or I chunk it and it goes 10 yards. Fun time, SM5 52, we got that. We also have my SM8 Vokey 56. I love this club. Good God. SM8 Vokey 56, love this club, M grind. I love it. Any 125 feels butter. I know where it's going. I'm gonna hit the green. It's a beautiful thing. It's a beautiful thing. And then for my last club, the 60-degree high toe. I mean, there's not much I can say that I don't like about this club. The only thing that kind of bothers me is full shots with this thing just do not feel good to me. Like, I know some pros play all their wedges are in the high toe. It's kind of, well, I guess pros don't really hit full shots with wedges, but I like to hit, when I get to 110, 105, like I like to take a full swing with the 60. It just feels so weird. I don't know what, I can't explain it. I don't know if it's because the grooves are messing up my brain. I don't know what's happening. But if I try to hit a full swing with this thing, the ball, I just can't, I don't know, man. It just doesn't go well. It ends up going like 80, I don't know. And my other 60, I might have to go back to Vokey because the other 60 would just go perfect. But I love the high toe in terms of off the green. Oh my God, if you can get a high toe in your hand and play out the bunker, out the rough, dude, you feel like you're like Phil, bro. Like I'm flipping, like I don't even know what I'm doing with my hands and it's just working. And that's the beauty of the high toe. So then we go into some woods. We still have the M3 hybrid, 21 degree, 4 hybrid, and then the 5 wood, 18 degree. Absolutely love this 5 wood, and I've told you guys about it. I love buying woods like pre-owned. It's the best deal you can possibly get. Like paying $300 for a 5 wood, like I'll rather jump off a bridge. But I love these things. I love how the 5 wood looks. It's the most beautiful club in the bag. Just sitting up to this, like sometimes I'm like, I don't even know where it's going, but it looks so good. I gotta try to hit it. And hybrid, I used to love hybrids. It bothers me now. I don't know. I can't hit it. I really want to. I can hit it off the tee. Off the tee is easy. And sometimes I play this like cool little stinger and it works out pretty good. But if I try to play it off the deck, it stays on the deck. It'll fly though, like it won't fly, but it'll go like 190 yards and it just won't leave the ground. Like it's brutal. Like it goes shin high. I don't know, it's all over the place with that. And then probably the newest addition, if you guys watched the 2021 in my bag, the newest addition, Sim 2. Everybody knows blue. Black and blue, you know, I got a thing for blue. I got a thing for blue, and I just have this real bad habit of seeing pros playing these clubs and just thinking I have to cop. Like, how am I gonna watch Tiger hit something and not buy it? Like, what do I look like? A freaking, I don't know. But also, I don't like buying these new, because that's a $500 club. Are you freaking kidding me? So instead of paying the $500, what I usually do is, what you can do, honestly, if you're one of those people that want to upgrade all the freaking time. So like I bought this for $390. I sold my M3, which wasn't even that like new. Like it was there's 4 or 5 drivers ahead of that. Sold my M3 on eBay for $190. So I end up only paying $200 for this. What I will be able to do, if I want to get that weird looking carbon stealth thing, I'll be able to wait for somebody to try it out, don't like it, so they're gonna sell it for like $400, $420. I'll be able to still sell this for like $275, $300. So I can really upgrade drivers for like $200, maybe even a little less every year if I wanted to. That's just if you're one of those people that always have to upgrade, you know? In terms of golf ball, I'm back on the Pro V1, Pro V1X. I don't like being bougie because like I'll lose it and I just feel like, you feel like the course just like took something from you if you lose one. But in terms of how my ball flight is and how I'm spinning the ball, Pro V1 is just probably the best. I don't know. I still have a ton of Bridgestones and TP5Xs, so I'll probably do all the things where I just go around testing. I do this weird thing, like if I start playing bad, like 2 bogeys in a row, I'll switch golf balls, like completely. I don't know if that's probably not a good thing, but I'm weird. Don't know why I have a FootJoy glove on here. I like the TaylorMade gloves. They're really nice. One thing I hate buying is gloves. Like I'd rather like just never buy a glove. It's actually horrible. Yeah, and that's pretty much it for the bag, man. I got a new rangefinder. It's not that good. Yeah, I try to find, a lot of my golf stuff is like, other than paying way too much for irons, I try to do everything budget friendly. Like golf balls, you know you're gonna have to buy. Gloves, you know you're gonna have to buy. I try to go budget with shoes, which is weird because this is a shoe channel. Actually, scratch that, I just bought some Jordan golf shoes. But I try to do budget everything. So like I'll get used woods, used, I won't do used wedges. That's a sin. Golf balls, yeah, like I say, can't really do much, but I'll do use rangefinders all day. I'll go to old like Caddy Tech, freaking Caddy View ones, and like, because it's like, I don't want to pay for this stuff. I don't want to pay the like crazy price. I'm not doing that. What do I look like? Okay, but yeah, that's pretty much it for the golf bag. Let me know in the comments what I should do about the irons. Like, if you guys have any suggestions of irons. I'm not playing no big old caddy bag just to get the ball in the air. I want to be able to. We're not doing that. But yeah, let me know. Let me know if you want more golf videos on course. I don't know what to do, man. I'm just here. You know, we gonna make it happen this year. So yeah, that's the golf bag. Peace.